Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a product catalog in Google Sheets with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, we'll use Claude to help generate a sample prompt for building a product catalog in Google Sheets. This is a simple starting point if you want to organize product information more efficiently and save time when setting up a spreadsheet from scratch. To begin, open Claude in your browser and start a new chat. You'll want to make sure you are on the new chat page so you can enter a fresh request without any previous conversation affecting the response. Starting with a clean chat is helpful because it keeps the instructions focused and makes the output easier to use. Once you are on the new chat screen, the next step is to enter a sample prompt about creating a product catalog in Google Sheets. In your prompt, be clear about what you want Claude to help you create. For example, you can ask for a structured product catalog layout, suggested column headers, and sample product information that would work well inside Google Sheets. The more specific your request is, the more useful and organized the response is likely to be. After typing your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a response based on your request. Depending on how you phrase the prompt, the output may include a recommended table structure, categories for products, inventory-related fields, pricing columns, descriptions, or other useful catalog details that can be copied into Google Sheets. As you review the response, take a moment to check whether the format matches the kind of catalog you need. If it looks too broad or too simple, you can refine your prompt in a follow-up message. Keeping your request focused on spreadsheet-ready output can make it easier to transfer the results directly into Google Sheets with minimal cleanup. A helpful tip here is to think ahead about how the catalog will be used. If the sheet is for inventory tracking, online listings, or internal reference, that purpose can guide the kind of structure you ask Claude to create. Even a short prompt can be very effective if it clearly states the goal. That's all it takes to get started. You've opened a new chat in Claude, entered a sample prompt for a product catalog in Google Sheets, and submitted it to generate helpful content. From there, you can use the response as the foundation for your spreadsheet and continue refining it as needed.